Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and today I am going to talk about my town. The section I show from my blog is Where to Go. I chose this section because I think my town has beautiful natural places that more people should visit. The first place I want to recommend is the Mad Volcano in Goa. You can visit this place if you want to enjoy a different experience. You should try the natural my bus because many people believe it is going from your chin. After your visit, you can get off the mat and relax with your family. The second place is the Rio Nuevo Big Bridge and the Rio Nuevo River. You must walk across the bridge because it offers a beautiful view of the river. You can also cool off in the river on good days. If you visit use your friends, you will have a great time taking pictures and enjoy nature. Another wonderful place is the 20 de Enero Children. You should spend some time there because it's it peaceful and perfect for relaxing. You can sit down near the water and enjoy the French court. Finally, you must visit the Rio Nuevo viewpoint. You can look out over the landscape and watch the sunset is one of the most beautiful places in the area. In conclusion, I chose this section because this place shows the natural beauty of my town. Yeah, I hope you can visit them one day. Thank you very much for listening Goodbye.